Hello! Today I'm going to teach you the difference between the two sounds E and I. Why? Because the pronunciation of the two sounds can be confused. It's important to get it right because, I was booking into my hotel room the other day when I overheard the person in front of me talking to the receptionist. He said, "Can I have the kiss, please?" Well, you can imagine the receptionist was quite shocked and was about to call security when I stepped forward and said, "Actually, I think he's asking for his room keys." She stopped and looked at me for a second. "Ah, of course," she said. "Here are your keys, sir." So, I'm going to show you how to get the sounds right, how to pronounce the sounds in different words, compare the two sounds together, and finally, we'll learn how to say them in connected speech. So by the end of this lesson, when you ask for a kiss, it will be a kiss. So come on, let's get started. Let's start with the long E sound. First of all, E is a voiced front monophthong or vowel sound. What does that mean? Well, it's one sound and it's voiced, so you should be able to feel a vibration here. And the sound is produced by the front part of the tongue and is placed at the front of the mouth, just behind your bottom teeth. Now, the tongue position is the most important thing to get the sound right. The position of the tongue is high. This means that you curve the back part of the tongue so that it's very close to the back of the roof of the mouth, but not touching. If it touches, it will block the sound. Now, the jaw. Because the tongue is high, the jaw will be fairly closed like this. And lastly, the lips. These are spread like this. It's like a half smile. Now make it a full smile, like this. So, E or E. Notice how it changes the sound a bit. So stay with the half smile. And lastly, E is a long sound. Say E, E. Now say keys, please. Now let's compare this sound with A. Why? Because with A, the sound is short, the tongue is low, and the jaw is more open. I want you to notice how the sound changes as you lower your tongue and open your jaw. Place your forefinger on the bridge of your nose and your thumb on your chin to feel the jaw movement. Now, do it slowly like this. E-ya, E-ya. So now for some practice. Watch, listen and repeat. Eat, eat. Eel, eel. Feet, feet. Seat, seat. Seek, seek. Beach, beach. Leave, leave. Feel, feel. These, these. Keys, keys. How was that? Okay? If not, go back and practice again until it's exactly right. Well, go on. Ready for the next one? Now it's the short sound, I. This again is a voiced front monophthong or vowel sound. So the sound is voiced. And you should be able to feel a vibration here. And the sound is produced by the front part of the tongue and is placed at the front of the mouth, just behind your bottom teeth, just as before. The position of the curve of the tongue is slightly more forward than for E and more of a mid position. This means that you curve the center of the tongue so that it's close to the roof of the mouth. Now the jaw. This will be fairly closed, like this. And lastly, the lips. These are less spread than for E. E, I. Can you see the difference? So let's just compare the two sounds again. The long E and short I. E, E. Lips are spread, tongue is high and curved towards the back of the roof of the mouth. And now I. Lips are less spread, tongue is slightly curved towards the middle of the roof of the mouth. I. Now say kiss. Ready to practice? Here we go. Come on then. Watch, listen and repeat. It. It. Ill. Ill. Fit. Fit. Sit. Sit. Sick. Sick. Bitch. Bitch. Live. Live. Miss. Miss. This. This. 60. 60. Okay, so now we're going to compare and practice the two sounds together. Ready? Here we go. Eat, it. Eat, it. Eel, ill. Eel, ill. Feet, fit. Feet, fit. Seat, sit. Seat, sit. Seek, sick. Seek, sick. Beach, bitch. Beach, bitch. Leave, live. Leave, live. These, this. These, this. Keys, kiss. Keys, kiss. 16, 60. 16, 60. Now for some extra practice when the sounds occur in connected speech. It's very common to find that speakers use less jaw and lip movement when speaking quickly, but they still manage to produce the correct sound. I've written a short paragraph using words with the sounds we've practiced and added some linking sounds to help you. Oh, by the way, if you need more help with linking, see my videos here. Listen to me read it to you and then you can copy me. Dina is on the phone to the doctor's receptionist. Hello, my name is Dina Winton. I need to see a doctor immediately. I keep being sick. I slipped on a banana skin and hit my head. I think I've broken my wrist too. I feel very ill and haven't eaten since this morning. Okay, Dina, sit down and I'll call an ambulance. It'll be with you in about 15 minutes. Please don't leave home without your door keys, Dina. I hope you feel better soon. Goodbye. Well, hopefully this has helped, but remember, practice makes perfect, and also little and often, which means practice for a few minutes every day. Oh, if you found this lesson helpful, it would be great if you could just support my channel by using the super thanks button below. Until next time, love and peace.